Ever wondered what a full Japanese home meal looks like? Most of the time. I love exploring recipes I've never tried.
My friend Helena asked me to share a Japanese set meal. She loves this dish, so I'm making it today. I don't cook Japanese food that often, maybe because I'm too used to it, but it's always comforting.
Miso simmered mackerel is a classic home dish in Japan. It dates back centuries when miso wasn't just seasoning. It was a way to preserve food. The rich miso sauce neutralizes the fishiness of mackerel and gives it that deep, comforting taste you can't forget. Let's get started. First, rinse the fillets and lightly score the skin. Pour boiling water over them to remove any fishy smell. Then pat dry. This step makes a big difference in flavor and presentation. In a frying pan, mix miso, sake, mirin, soy sauce, and water. Add sliced ginger and bring it to a gentle simmer. Place the fillet skin side up. Cover with a drip lid or foil and simmer for 10 to 12 minutes. Then spoon the sauce over them. Keep basting to bring out a shine. The drop lid helps the fish absorb flavor evenly without breaking apart. While the fish simmers, make your sides. Spinach, oshitashi, and tamagoyaki are both simple and refreshing. These sides complete the meal and give it a true teishoku feel. It's a simple meal, but incredibly satisfying. This is exactly how I remember Japanese comfort food. The miso is rich, the fish is tender, and everything comes together like a warm hug. Through food, we return to where we feel most at home. That's the beauty of simple dishes like this. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Enjoy your meal.